Well, we are very grateful. Alhamdulillah. My team and myself would say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. 2 citizens of this country were killed. A 3rd person was severely injured. And the government refused to do a credible investigation. The matter was politicized, and the wrong people were brought before the courts. The government should be ashamed of itself. They need to investigate this matter thoroughly. Through our evidence, through the trial, we know what happened. We know the persons who are responsible for the murder of service personnel of the Republic of the Gambia. Innocent people were followed, were arrested, were persecuted, and eventually dragged to court with the hope that the courts would close their eyes and convict and imprison innocent people. This is a shame for the Gambia. It is now about time that we give constitutional guarantees to a DPP, and it is about time that we now have a Gambian DPP. We should stop this nonsense of appointing foreigners as directors of public prosecution in the Gambia. We have very qualified young people who are able, far more able than any foreigner you can find, to act as DPP, to serve in the role, in the position of a DPP in this country. The DPP should also come out from under the Ministry of Justice. The 2 roles are incompatible. The Attorney General and Minister of Justice are executive appointees, and more than likely they would want to do what the government wants, especially in politically significant cases like this. We don't want that. If people commit a crime, then obviously we are not opposed to those people being tried and punished. But you cannot politicize this. We know what happened. The evidence actually pointed out that it was some of those eyewitnesses who were responsible for the murder of our service citizens. We will follow that, and eventually they will be dragged to court. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but we know very well that at some point, they will be placed before the courts. They will have their day in court, and they can tell us who engaged them. They can tell us who hired them to do what they did. There is no question about this. The evidence has clearly proven the killers in this case. There is no doubt about it. I have no doubt. Well, we know that the state has brought the wrong people to court. I know that. But before I go any further, this was a team effort. My team and I were responsible for this victory today. And of course, the court was also very proactive, very consistent. And we are happy about what happened today, because it takes a lot of courage for a judge to arrive at a decision like this, even if that is where the evidence leads it. But yes, I am very thankful to my team. Behind me here is Jaiteh, my longest serving teammate, and then followed by Fatimata Bondi and Fakeba Dabo. I have other members of the team as well. Fakeba Conte and Fatima Jao. Even the drivers, my administrator, Ibrahim Chati, everybody did very well. So this is a collective victory. I just happen to be the head of the chambers, but yeah, it's a collective victory, and I'm thankful and grateful to everybody.